Good day, guys. Welcome back. So, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. Now, let's see what to be expecting next on our Swiss franc JPY. Let's start with the trend. You clearly can see that we are in an uptrend move on Swiss franc JPY. Then, markets did something which is a pullback. This pullback did what? It played a double bottom, and that double bottom also tapped our trend line, reason why it pushed up massively. Now market is correcting, and we should be expecting a new push up to the upside. So our forecast on Swiss franc JPY should be a bullish move. Now, when you go to your forward time frame, you will clearly see that on the forward time frame, market is ranging for a while. You can see it here, and this ranging bottom will be taken as a support. If you have to go to your forward time frame, this is the support level. So we should expect market to push up as a form of rejection. So our next bias on Swiss franc JPY should be a bullish move. So with this push up, we should be expecting about 100 pips. So 100 pips is what you should be targeting on Swiss franc JPY.